morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here, one of the latest smartwatch in the market. What we have here is the X22 Pro smartwatch. And as you can see here, beautiful packaging. And seems like we noticed that it's pretty similar, to the M26 Plus smartwatch, as you can see here. They have the same style for the packaging, and of course they are using the same support app, the Wear Fit Pro. So this one is wireless charging the same way the M26 Plus. So going back to the X22 Pro, it is an affordable Series 7 smartwatch, and it's pretty popular for those who are looking for the newest Series 7 smartwatch in the market. So let's check. So we have here, it shows the preloaded watch faces for your wearable. And for the details here, we have a 1.75-inch display, advanced Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, 128 MB of memory. So we have the QR code here. It is available on the Android platform and of course the iOS platform. So X22 8 Pro, or X22 Pro wireless charging. So we have here the black aluminum case. It's a 44mm smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. So your smart partner on your wrist. So let's open it now. X22 Pro smartwatch. What's this? So we have some instructions here on how to attach or lock your band. And we have here the strap, for fitting. Again, flexible strap here. We have the smartwatch. It's a bit heavy. So we'll check on the style and of course the quality of the body later on. We have the, I think this is the wireless charging cable here. And what else? We have the user manual here. X22 Pro smartwatch wireless charging. We have the QR code also here. Let's focus here. What else do we have? Available in Chinese language and English. We have some features here for the wearable. So that's it. Again, the contents are the user manual, charging cable, the strap, and of course the body of the smartwatch. So let's try to remove the plastic cover here. Again, this is the X22 Pro smartwatch, Series 7 smartwatch. So so let's have a closer look at the body here. So we have here a brush finish. It's not a glossy type, it's a brush finish. We do hope that we have a slim bezel here. We'll find about it later on. At the back we have waterproof level IP67, and we have the sensor here. Of course, we have the familiar crown button here and the pill shape button on the bottom. Okay, simple design still. It's a bit heavy. Okay, so we have the strap. Okay, let's try. So again, this is force fitting. Wow, very tight. Okay, let's check on the other side. Okay, I think we're going to need a special tool, I think. Okay, so we managed to push it. Okay, well, the other one, let's see. Okay, it's not right. Okay, oops, we accidentally turned it on. Anyways, we're going to check it. Okay, so let's turn it off first. Okay, so where's the power button here? Let's see the start of the wearable here. Settings, shut down. Okay, let's start. Let's see the starting logo of or graphics of the smartwatch. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, that's it, very fast. Okay, and seems like we have an okay bezel here. It's not that wide, but it's not that small either, just okay. And we have the first or the default watch face here. Do we have other watch face? Okay, we also have the other one here. Okay, this one an analog type. Okay, so we have at least several preloaded watch faces here. Okay, again animated here. The classic Mickey Mouse watch face. We also have an animated watch face here. Okay, I'm surprised that we don't have the popular contour watch face, okay, that we see on US Series 7 smartwatch, the clone watch face from the Apple Watch. We don't have it here. Okay, maybe it's in the support app, we'll see. Okay, so far here's your X22 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so we have to adjust this later on. Okay, we have the brush finish black color here, very black. Okay, we have a slim bezel here. Okay, so the crown button is working here. You can use it to zoom in or navigate on the series of watch faces. Okay, let's go back. Do we have access through the menus? We have. Okay, as you can see here, we're already running out of battery here for our smartwatch. We're going to charge it later on so we can have another video review. Do we have a split screen? Let's see. Okay, we don't have a split screen, I think. Okay, so it's not supporting a split screen. Okay, so it's our favorite, but it's not available here. We hope on the update that it will be added. Okay, so we have a bubble menu here. You can zoom in and zoom out with the crown button here. Okay, what else do we have? Different menus here. So we are not familiar with the icons here. We're going to check it on our next video. Okay, so far, as you can see here, very responsive, good display screen. Okay, good design. Okay, it is pretty similar to other Series 7 smartwatches. Okay, so let me check out. We have here, okay, the T100 Plus. So as you can see here, very similar to this watch face. Or, oh no, this one I think is the i7 Pro. It's not the T100. Okay, it's the i7 Pro. This one is much slimmer, I think. Okay, but it is almost pretty similar in design. This one is much thicker. This one is slimmer with a glossy color. This one is brush finish. Okay, so they almost have the same size here. Okay, so this is your X22 Pro. We're going to have a comparison of these two smartwatches on our next video. But for the meantime, we're going to check on the menus and function of the X22 Pro. Okay, and of course its additional hardware specs. But if you want to know right away the specifications of this X22 Pro, please check out the links below. Okay, so watch out for our next video. Okay, for the review of the menus and features of the X22 Pro smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, it's okay. It's an affordable smartwatch, okay, with a good display screen. Okay, so we have here, also have here the magnetic charging, I think. Okay, wireless, and it's with a bit of magnetic here. Okay, see. Okay, so that's it for our first video for the unboxing of the X22 Pro smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Bye.